Yeah. All right, cool. So you all are basically come here to prepare yourself for a reality show. Okay, let me explain that to
Post
you.
nets
ठीक है?
also, sir.
जब कोई if there's any reality show that comes, okay, listen to me carefully. If you have a pen and all that, please write it down. You guys have a pen and paper? When a new reality show or an existing reality show comes, there will be a lot of auditioning happening. ठीक है? एक तो साइलेंट ऑडिशन होता है. साइलेंट ऑडिशन में क्या होता है? प्रोडक्शन हाउस, इफ दे हैव योर नंबर और दे हैव योर इंस्टाग्राम, जो भी सोशल मीडिया नेटवर्क है, they will message you and tell you to um, send some videos. Correct? कभी हुआ है आपके साथ? So one is that. One more audition happens is through an invite. Invite में क्या होता है? Through किसी के source के साथ you get invite to audition, and someone will come and watch your performance. And तीसरा है ये the basically the main audition, जहाँ पे all the production house goes to every city, and जहाँ पे आपका city है, they'll come there, audition people and all of that, है ना? And there'll be
Yes.
thousands of people auditioning. ठीक है? And those people who audition you are basically some of them are dancers, some of them are from creative, you know. They're not maybe they're not completely choreographers yet. फिर later आगे जाके main choreographers are the one who take your audition. बराबर? Third, third or fourth time audition, choreographers comes and take your auditions. Okay, now, so when you go to an audition, okay, make sure you prepare an act of 1.5 minute. लिख दो 1.5 का choreography. Okay. Now in this choreography, basically a lot of you choreograph this way. जब audition पे जाते हो कैसा choreograph करते हैं? I've auditioned in all the shows. मतलब मैंने हर हर shows में मैंने auditions दिए हैं. पहले 1 minute टाइम पास करते हैं, देन लास्ट में तभी फाड़ते हैं. ठीक है? नाउ व्हेन यू डू दैट, क्या होता है? कभी कभी वी डोंट वॉच वन फुल 1.5 minute. समटाइम्स वी ओनली वॉच 30 seconds. एक्चुअली जब हम ऑडिशंस लेते हैं, बिकॉज वी सी देयर आर लॉट ऑफ पीपल इन लाइन, पहला 30 seconds of your audition is what we see. अगर मुझे इंटरेस्ट आया 30 सेकंड के अंदर, तो फिर मैं आगे भी देखूंगा. अगर 1 मिनट के अंदर मुझे इंटरेस्ट आया, तो मैं पूरा देखूंगा. दैट्स हाउ द पैटर्न इज. So your best move, your best dancing has to come in the beginning only, so that they have your interest. You know. So out of 1.5 minute, पहले 30 seconds, put your best dance, your best move, your best choreography. तो फिर आपको एडिटिंग भी, अगर एडिटिंग करना है, अगर if you have to have a nice mix, so make sure that your first 30 seconds have the best ones, you know. Don't make it ulta. So write down 30 seconds, first 30 seconds, best move in my audition. अगर मुझे स्प्लिट दिखाना है, बिगिनिंग में स्प्लिट दिखाना है, you know. अगर मुझे समरसॉल्ट मारने गए, तो ओपनिंग में समरसॉल्ट मारना है. बाद में मत करो. फिर दिखेगा ही नहीं. Okay, so first 30 seconds, make sure your choreography is correct. Whatever you have to show, show it. Okay. The next 30 seconds got to maintain your energy and all that, and your uh, basically the energy has to be maintained in your performance. Okay. In the end, अगर कुछ um, अलग दिखाना है तो, or you want to show some more jhalak of yours, then put your best foot forward again, or probably a transition into something else only, so that they'll be in their head कि यार end में कुछ अलग ही कर रहे हो. Let's see what is, और क्या है उसके साथ, like let's see what is there in that. अगर मैंने पॉपिंग किया फर्स्ट 30 seconds में, फिर डांस किया, फिर एंड में मैंने कुछ बी बॉइंग का ट्रिक्स किया, ठीक है, it will add to my versatility. एंड जो भी जज बैठा रहेगा, they'll be thinking कि there's more to this person. Let's see him or her on the next level, है ना. ठीक है. Now, when you're choreographing, अगर या कोई भी choreograph करे आपके piece for your piece for your audition, ठीक है, make sure that it's not about the steps, it's not about the steps, dance steps that you are doing. It's about your performance. It's always about performance. Keep in mind, not because कि मैंने 1 2 3 किया है, कुछ समझ में नहीं आएगा उन लोगों को, because they are not professional choreographers या professional dancer also. Some of the one who's taking audition. Make sure आपका performance सही है. Your choreography is register हो रहा है कि ऐसा ऐसा steps कर रहा है, and you enjoying your dance more than anything else, क्योंकि I'll tell you the funda is because later आगे जाके अगर तुम select भी होगा, तुम खुद choreography नहीं करने वाला है, you will get a choreographer, और उन लोग को पता है कि इसको choreographer मिलेगा, सही रहेगा. This person just need a choreographer. So if you're asking someone to choreograph your piece for your audition, or खुद कर रहे हो, make sure it's as simple as you can perform it the best that you can. You have to showcase how good a performer you are, क्योंकि टीवी पे तेरे को कोरियोग्राफर मिलेगा ही मिलेगा. So what they have to, what people see in audition is how good you perform more than anything else. How good are you in performance, and how attractive are you? Are you smiling? Are you enjoying it? Are you like दिल से dance कर रहे हैं कि नहीं? You know what I'm saying? Connect होना चाहिए. Those are the things that you see in audition. इसके लिए so many talented people gets rejected in audition only. बहुत कुछ कर सकता हूँ, मैं ये हूँ, मैं ये भी कर सकता हूँ, ये भी कर सकता हूँ. You know what I'm saying? They try so hard कि सामने वाला confused हो जाता है, ये क्या कर रहे हैं. Like even though I know हाँ ठीक है, ये बंदा अच्छा नाचता है, ये बंदा हाँ अच्छा है, but it's irritating because he's doing too many things. Okay, versatility is good. Agar if you're learning dance like right now, it's always nice to learn every style. You need to get your hands to it. Okay, but remember this, आपका खुद का style, what is your body, what is your liking, what do you like the most? That is most important for you to find out कि कौन सा style तेरे को सबसे बहुत अच्छा लगता है. Whichever style you enjoy the most is what you should be concentrating with. You know, it's nice. It's very good to be a versatile dancer. I might say कि I'm a versatile dancer. मैं कुछ भी कर सकता हूँ. See, you all answered like that only. Every dancer needs to have that. Your own identity. कि कौन सा वाला style करते हैं. You know, it's always very important. Do everything. Learn everything. Learn from everyone. Particular style that you are the best at. Make sure when you go for an audition, एक, you will not go only with one act ready. Go with always three. One with, write it down. One, your bests, your the main audition piece. Second is your backup piece. Same style का होगा, different song, different choreography. Okay. तीसरा प्रॉब्ली दूसरा स्टाइल, सेकंड स्टाइल जो आपको बहुत अच्छा लगता है, एंड सेकंड स्टाइल दैट यू आर गुड एट, यू नो, बिकॉज दे ऑलवेज आस्क यू, अगर कोई डाउट रहता है ना, दे ऑलवेज आस्क यू, दूसरा स्टाइल करते हो क्या करते हैं, चलो दिखाओ, यू नो. सो ऑलवेज बी रेडी. It's like going to a war and having only one banduk. You should have two or three, no? Should have two or three guns for you to survive. Correct? Same thing in audition. You have to come up with a good three piece. Even they ask you or not, but you should always have at least three. Okay? So next time when you go for an audition, bring three piece. One is your main audition piece. Second is your backup piece. Maybe same style, different choreography and different song. है ना? तीसरा, your second best style that you can do. You know, all of that. Yes or no? So, agar if you know कि you really want to join a reality show, okay, this is what I advise everybody. अगर मुझे पता है मुझे next year super dancer आना है, ठीक है? What I'll do this year is not watch super dancer. I will train myself and do it. You know, you need a good one. You need a good 1 month for your one piece, for your audition piece. Minimum. When I go compete in World Championship, I've been competing since 1996 in World Championships, and I've traveled almost half the world. And me and my crew in the Philippines, for one for 2 minute piece, for one competition, 2 minute piece, we rehearse that for one entire year, and we rehearse it for like 12 to 16 hours a day, that 2 minute piece. Then only we go and compete. So imagine, we know it, we know we got it, but we rehearsed for 1 year just to compete in one competition. And that is when we win a competition. You know what I'm saying?
Yes.
Only one piece of 2 minutes. तुम लोग तो कितना कितना नाचते हो पूरा साल में? How many pieces you guys dance? Learn from someone, learn करके सीधा Instagram पे जाता है कि नहीं? Right? I used to rehearse one entire year, only 2 minutes piece. I get so bored, you know, when I go and do it. But yeah, that's how you do it. So practice is a must. Do not go for any audition if you're going to just going for chalo try karte types. Don't do that. है ना? So always imagine that what do you call it, make sure that you are prepared whenever you go to an audition. Don't just do it for the heck of it. Okay. Also, one more thing is that it's always nice to do all these workshops. It helps a lot because in reality shows, actually, what happens is you only get 3 days to prepare one act. You guys know that every week you shoot, okay, and in between that, you basically your choreographer will choreograph it, lock the concept, this, that, all of that, and you only get 3 days to prepare. The fourth day is basically act viewing, or where all the channels will come, the production will come, creatives, changes hoga, all of that stuff. So make sure you guys are ready for that as well. Practice your hone your talent in, you know, getting the choreography very quick. So it's nice to do workshops. Workshop में क्या होता है? Huh? In workshops, a lot of a lot of people teach you a choreography in 1 hour. Within 1 hour, you kind of like showcase who all has done my choreography, my workshops. Acha, most of you have done my workshops. Yeah. Who is serious about going and joining a reality show? Everybody. Who wants to become my partner on Super Dancer? Who wants to become my partner? हाँ? अच्छा, अब मैं अब भी ऑडिशन लूंगा. Who wants to become my partner on India's Best Dancer? If I do it. Okay, cool. ठीक है. Okay. The competition is between Vanshika and Bhakti, because I think that they are the only one who's in that age. Is it? Oh, Sheetal and all is there also. Brunal is there also. I think Mr. Ha. Anyways. Ha. So, this is what we're going to be doing. I think my next class with you all is next month, I guess, because you have a lot of teachers coming in. Okay, what I want you to do, okay, is pick a nice 1.5 minute, and from tomorrow till the day I come back by next month, you should be ready with your piece. Okay, and I will make sure I see it nicely. I'm gonna make you guys perform one by one. Okay, one more thing. Okay, when you go for an audition, do not come as a nice cool as a hoodie pen ke, shorts, and go for audition. Presentation is also very important क्योंकि वहाँ पे cameras रहेगा, if you go to another step, they will take your interview, all of that stuff. You should be ready with everything. So your presentation should be good. Your clothes should be comfy. If you're younger, do not put so much makeup that कि सामने वाले will think, अरे यार, this person is trying too hard. Be as simple as you can. Be the way you are, because reality show is all about that. It's getting out what you have in you. You know, so the more you're yourself, the better it is. Right? So I want you to pick a nice piece, okay, and I want you to choreograph it yourself. All right, and each piece I'm gonna be watching you guys one by one properly. Okay? And I'm gonna tell you guys what to work on, and if there's anything to add, we'll add things up. Okay? And hopefully if I do one more workshop for the same course, I will
Okay.
create a choreography that can help a piece, maybe a little piece to add with your choreography, you know, for your audition. So all of these, uh, but I really want to see your best when I see it. Yes or no?
Sir, any style?
Yep.
Any style.
Yes.
That's what I said. That's what I said. What you are best at, do that.
Okay,
Your
sir.
best foot forward, showcase it to me. I mean, do not worry. I even though I I am hip hop, I do all the styles and I understand them. So not to worry. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Promise me it'll work out tomorrow itself.
Sir, I have a question.
Of course, yes, we'll come to that. We'll come to that. Promise me first that you all will do it.
Of
Yes, sir.
course. Yes, sir.
Promise.
I promise.
Promise, sir.
Promise.
Promise. Promise. Yes, sir.
Promise,
Promise.
sir.
Promise.
Promise, sir.
Alright, yeah. Okay, Bhakti, tell me.
Sir, if you have a stage fear, what should be done to cure it?
If you have a stage fear,
Yeah.
see the
I
key.
have done auditions, but still I have a little bit stage fear.
See, I'll tell you, stage fear will only go if you surpass that. If you keep going to a stage and then you get frightened and then you get back,
No, I still audition. If I get fear, I still do the audition
yeah,
thing, but
yeah.
still it's not going. So,
That means you are not prepared, Bhakti. If you're prepared, no, and in your head, even if neen se uthana, I can still dance that choreography. That's the best choreography that you can go. That's the best audition that you can go to when you know it in and out. Maybe the music stop also, but I know the song so well. I know my choreography so well. I will still dance. You know what I'm saying? It's about confidence. See, I'll tell you what. If that's the key of becoming or coming to a dance reality show, it's confidence. They see that a lot. So when you enter, only before your act starts, make sure you're so confident, make sure you show yourself जैसे कि तुम घर पे ही नाच रहे in your hall और मम्मी को दिखा रहे, मम्मी देखो डांस देख मेरा. You know, that should be the feeling, and that feeling will only come when you don't think about the steps, when you don't think about your act, or when you don't think about your dance. It should, when you dance, you should not think here. You should only think here कि मैं क्या feel कर रहा हूँ वो time, you know. And that will only happen if you've practiced enough. So you need to practice a lot. Confidence will come only with practice. अगर तूने practice नहीं किया, मतलब उधर बाहर लाइन में तूने, मतलब हाँ ये मारने वाला हूँ, ये मारने वाला हूँ, ऐसा ऐसा डिसाइड किया, अंदर जाके फिर कुछ नहीं होने वाला है. You know, so go and be prepared. Okay, there's nothing called stage fright. Stage fright is basically I'm not prepared, पता नहीं क्या होने वाला है. You know, it's like exam. अगर कोई सामने वाला कोई देगा ही नहीं आंसर तो कुछ नहीं होने वाला. You know, but if I know the answer, I've studied well, I will sit in the exam and just write it. correct na?
Yeah.
Simple as that. So when you know your actual practice well, that's all. हम लोग भी ऐसा dancer नहीं बना. We also practice a lot. You know, when you see us on television, we practice so much. You have no clue. You all have no clue. You guys see us dance for 2 minutes, but that 2 minutes ना पूरा week का जान खा लेते हैं. You know, if we don't get it correctly, हम लोग 4 बजे without sleeping still dancing, without eating still dancing. You know, before going on stage, शायद हम लोग ने बैक स्टेज में 50 बार किया होगा, and then dancing 2 minutes with the camera on. पर करते हैं हम लोग प्रैक्टिस. ऐसा नहीं कि हम लोग ऐसे ही हाँ नाच लिया, ऐसा कुछ नहीं होता. So even in audition, you guys need to do that. Yes, no? Come prepared. It's like going for an exam. और कुछ नहीं, है ना? Confident. And that confidence will only come if you practice so well. You know कि कुछ नहीं है यार, बहुत बार किया मैंने, चलो और one last time I'll do it. You know what I'm saying? It's like that. ठीक है? Okay, Bhakti? Next time, full फाड़ के, okay? Don't think. What happens is, it's always good to do Bollywood song. Okay? ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा all the channels, T series का कोई भी गाना उन लोग का पैकेज रहता है हमेशा. तो if you really want to be on screen, आपका ऑडिशन भी होगा, try pick a T series song, तेरा काम हो जाएगा. You know, and बाहर का गाना लेंगे तो what happens is उन लोग के लिए तकलीफ होगा, because they'll have to pay a lot of money for that. जो तुम लोग dance, whatever you guys dance in audition ना, they pay 1.5 lakhs per song, each of you, जिसका भी टीवी पे दिखाने वाला है. जो हम लोग परफॉर्म करते हैं on TV, whatever 2 minutes song we perform, we pay around 1.5. कोई गाना 3 लाख रुपए, कोई गाना 5 लाख रुपए, कोई गाना 10 लाख रुपए. The channel pays it for you to be on television. Yeah. So I'll tell you what, more than we, everyone or whoever you're learning from here can mostly just guide you and help you with a lot of information. Okay? Or some guidelines will happen. But the main key is for you to do it yourself. You know what I'm saying? All the answers are in the book. पर अगर तुम पढ़ेगा नहीं and you don't keep in your head, तो कैसा, what's the point? Right? So even to become a dancer, it's always important that more than you training from the training, basically when I teach something, the training happens after they learn the class from me. What do you do about it?
Yes.
I'm learning Ruel's choreography, so I will learn Ruel's choreography और बस उधर ही खत्म हो जाता है. नहीं, what you should be doing is what do you do after that? You know, do you practice it? Do you analyze it? You know, I became a choreographer only because I'm analyzing a lot of things, whatever happens. Even a music, I study music. If I like the song and I want to choreograph it, I study it. Like, you know, what can I do with this? What can I do with that? What can I add to it to make it more like cooler? You know what I'm saying? So make sure you guys perform a pair. But there are a lot of reality shows that, like for example, it's like super dancer. ठीक है? दोनों दोनों को नहीं लेंगे, मतलब एक कोरियोग्राफर के साथ. अगर दोनों को लिया, अलग अलग कोरियोग्राफर्स के साथ हो जाएगा. Correct? So it's always better to prepare solos, you know, and make sure you all have duet as well, because that's the fun part, right? Having one more, one plus one. You know?